Now, I will show you how it's possible this type of creating image. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Then click first one. Logging with Google account. Then continue. Create profile. Start creating. Select one image from here. You can change the name from cake. Copy these prompt from right. Then paste it in description. Change the name here. Check aspect ratio. Then hit generate. It will take some time for creating. Check how amazing cake. For images created. Right-click and download.